Well, hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make you up something very simple. Alright, it's going to be a requested dish using Jamaican snapper. Very simple for the family. So if you want to see how me cook up this fish fry dish, come on and let's get going with it. So let me show you exactly what I'm going to use for this dish. Here you can see I have my pink snapper, right? What I do, I got the fish market, I'm going to make them filleted for me. That means I take off the head, I'm going to take off the bone. You can use any kind of fish that you want to use, but I'm going to use this pink snapper. Also, I'm going to be using the fish fry. Fish seasoning, your cooking oil, any cooking oil of your choice. Already the fish have on salt and black pepper. That's all you need, salt and black pepper, because the fish fry seasoning have all the spices in it that you're going to need. So let's get going. Okay guys, what I'm going to do next here, because the fish already have on the black pepper and the salt, all I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of fish seasoning on top. And then you'll see here I have my fish fry mix in here, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to put the fish in it, dip it and fry it in the oil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the fishes in here. I'm just going to take my hands and just mix everything in. Make sure you get all the fish mix on every single fish. Very easy to do, very easy to prepare. And not just that, this thing is so tasty. I'm going to go ahead and fry this thing up. I have my pot on the fire and I have my oil in there, and the oil is nice and hot. You want to make sure that your oil is nice and hot before you put your fish in. This can probably hold about 3, so I'm going to put 3 of them in here. I have 3 of them in there fried, so it's going to fry for about 4 minutes, a little above medium heat. Okay, don't put it on high heat, that's for sure. You want it to cook on the inside, so make it cook on medium heat or just a little bit above medium heat for 4 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the other side, and it should be done. Okay guys, so I'm going to just turn over this fish on the other side. After 4 minutes, that's what it should look like. So that is going to cook for 4 minutes on that side, and then I'm going to take that out and do the other back to see when everything is all done. So here you go guys, it's all done for you. My fish fry in my kitchen, nice and delicious, good for the kids, like I said, nice for dinner, even a little sandwich with some lettuce and tomato and 2 slices of bread or whatever kind of bread you have in your kitchen. Alright, give this recipe a try, let me know how you like it, give me a thumbs up, say hello, say what's up on my Instagram page, and as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!